It's beautiful out here today. Skin looking all nice. Drink a lot of water, y'all. Get your skin right.
I was scrolling through the gram, girl, I had to follow you. Say what's up with you.
What's happening? It's the boss, Ricky Rose, and you're rocking to the Club King.
This beat give me yo Yeezy vibes. Good night, glass of wine and my Yeezy slides. I'm blessed, just happy to be alive. Amen. Drop the top in the foreign, I can see the sky stunt. You can't tell me nothing, cause I really turn nothing into something. Trust the process, homie, stop rushing. Whip clean and
You can put content together anywhere, man. You ain't got a little setup in your crib. You could go out somewhere simple, man. Y'all see I just came to the pizza shop, grabbed me a slice. It's one of my favorite spots, man, Slice of Brooklyn. They got these a lot of places, man. Definitely some good pizza. Word up. Nice scenery, beautiful day. Y'all see the sun shining through and all that. You know? So I want my channel to look good, man. I don't want it to look like everybody's channel and all that. You know, nothing against nobody. I just want my channel to stay, you know, where it's at, where I like it at, you know? I don't do all that drama and all that, man. Nah. Boy, man, putting some good content together, y'all. Just go out there and be great, man. That's all it's about. Yeah, I could create content anywhere, man. A park, pizza shops, anywhere, man. The mall, anywhere. Big ass slice, man.